We're just going to give a quick demonstration here on how to remove this dew point sensor. There's two parts we have to do. So there's the actual connector, the power connector, which is the wires. So you'll have a terminal block on your end, and then we'll have to move the actual sensor from the assembly here. So it is going to feel like it's a little tight when you try to move this bottom part here, as you'll see, but don't be afraid to wiggle it to get it out. So the first step, we'll go show you how it's done. So we want to make the electrical plug, so untwist that to the like so. So when it can't go anymore, you take that out. So leave that aside. Now we want to take this part off here. Okay, once you do that, you take that piece off, and then take some channel lock or a vice grip of some sort, and then you just twist it out like that. Once you do that, you've exposed the sensor like this. Leave this out to dry if it has been exposed to water. If it hasn't been exposed to water, we can also do another test where we can reconnect the connector here and leave it to ambient air, and this way we can see what kind of reading we're getting on ambient air. So for now, we would just leave it as is to let it dry out for like several hours. If it's
overnight, probably good idea.
Overnight would also work if it's been really saturated. If it hasn't been saturated, then what we would do is we would reconnect this like so. Okay.
Didn't go.
Yep, it only goes in one way. Like if you look at the pins, you'll see that you can't put it any other way. So now what we would do is we would put, if you'll have the green plug on your end, we will plug it back in, and we would try to see what kind of reading we're getting on ambient air to be able to see if the sensor is working or there's something else that's gone faulty, and that's it.